So hello everyone, my name is MD Sabaj and I am starting a presentation front of you. So my presentation, can you guess that you have seen your senior citizens that who needs in the morning with tea, and when it did not be found, they became angry. Do you guess this? Okay, I will tell you. Its name is newspaper. So I will tell you the importance of newspaper today. Importance of newspaper. Importance of newspaper. So what is newspaper? Newspaper is a pair of papers which tells us news, or the news are written on it. So I will tell few points of importance of newspaper. So first is addiction. So there are many people who have addiction of newspaper, such as senior citizens, your grandparents have addiction of newspapers, and the people who reads regular newspaper are present in bar chart. 60% senior citizens read, because senior citizen reads because of the learning skills, their learning skills gain, and they can read properly. But many 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 grandparents don't see properly, so they can use their goggles, and but they don't leave to read newspaper because they have addiction of newspaper. And the 30% elder elder reads 30% elder reads the newspaper because they have to go on job in on early in the morning, and other children's and other people's read newspaper 30%. And next I want to talk about fake news. Sometimes fake news spreads on newspaper because of only sometimes, not every day. Only sometimes fake news, such as that Narendra Modi is coming on our society and our building, and he will coming to meet us. So these are the fake news are present in newspapers, and the people reads it and they became very, they run on the road and try to meet Narendra Modi, lekin Narendra Modi don't come, and they felt angry. And next I want to talk about jokes and stories. Newspaper tells us jokes and stories, but and they don't have ads, such as the news channel have more ads, and they don't tell, and they also talk about fake news. They also main the main channels are spreads fake news, and not newspaper more spreads net fake news. The channels that are not good which spreads fake news, and jokes and stories are available in newspapers, not in the jokes and stories are not available in the in our channels, news channels. but in but in the newspapers we can read stories such as the run run behind the it, and such as puppy and I, etc., etc. And there are many jokes are present in it, and new words. We should read a newspaper every day because they gain our skills of learning and reading. We can read fast about with the help of the newspaper. So the jokes are present in it. Next, I want I want to talk about languages. So languages are available in newspapers, and in news there are also available languages, but not all languages are available. And as I have said, in all languages, jokes and every that I told in previous few minutes. So these are available in newspaper in many languages such as Marathi, Gujarati, and Telugu, and Hindi also, and in English. And we can learn story about that a fox in every languages. So I hope you enjoyed my news importance of newspaper, and you have a doubt, so please comment on a comment box.